Love you. See y'all later.
All right, Christine.
Blessed hands working. Shem rocks hair. Beauty with purpose.
Hi, 2026 is rolling around and we're going to be back in action, and stay tuned to what's coming in store for next year. I'll be here showing you some of my styles and techniques and just giving you a little bit of shop talk of what we got, what we do here. So stay tuned. Neil, the influence rep that I have been purchasing my products from since Since I've been doing hair.
I've been here about 20 years.
Neil is a very important part of my life, the industry that I need him, you know?
So Neil better never retire, okay, Neil? That's what she's telling you.
Never retired.
Have a plan. She needs a succession.
All right. So that's what you needed. And
Yes.
I send the invoice to you.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Thank you, Neil. We're doing a little pixie cut on my client, Christina. She's been with me for how long, Christina? Maybe about over 10 years, definitely. Maybe like 13, 14 years. This is my client. She gonna come rain, snow, sleet, hail, fall. She don't care. She coming every week. Every week. So this is Christina. Say hi to the people for me.
Hi, happy holidays.
We're just gonna give her some small curls. She's a very simple client. Not too hard to please. And she definitely knows how to keep her hair. When she's here, she is here. Listen, her hair, she comes back, this hair is in place. People always wonder how she keep her hair so good. But yeah, it doesn't take me long to curl her hair because it's very short. You just got to make sure that back is low, laid down.
Hey, yeah. Hey, oh, yeah. Welcome to the chat where the truth gets on. God first, always. Shem rocks hair. Shem rocks hair. Yeah. Big glowing hair. Faith on her lips. Love in the mirror. Real life talk while the curls get laid. God first life, yeah. That's how I'm made. From the roots to the crown we care. Blessed hands working. Shem rocks hair.
After the fact, you know, that's
Beauty with purpose. Lifestyle and faith. God in the room. This is Shem rocks hair.
All right, nice short pixie for my client. I'm going in with my Design Essentials Formations spray. It gives a nice soft hold so you can still be able to maneuver through the hair. You can still be able to comb. It's not all hard and stiff, but it still gives a minimum hold just for the clients to be able to keep it. But you don't want the hair to be too hard because then it gets crunchy and then they go to sleep, then it's like a mess. Unless they really know how to sleep. I prefer a softer style that lasts and it forms into what it wants day by day. And then I'm gonna go in with my S3 Influence Spray. I kind of stepping away from aerosols because I just believe they're a little toxic, especially with me being in the suite. To each his own. You know, I used to use them, but I'm trying to get away from using the aerosol, so I'm sticking with more sprays. Yep, I'm right there. Feel it. She gotta make sure that thing low, okay? Lay back there.
Hey, yeah.
For the road.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to the chat where the truth gets on. God first always. Shem works hair.
Happy holidays. Thank you.
We glowing here, faith on our lips, love in the mirror, real life talk while the crows get laid.
Yeah.
Blessed hands working, Shem rocks hair, beauty with